Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be going through yet another recipe from a 5-ingredient renal diet cookbook. If you are new here, we go through every recipe in here and the book is available on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the caption. Without further ado, let's get into it. We are making our first soup today, which is exciting. It's called the Mumbai Creamy Tofu Basil Soup. So for this recipe, you're going to need extra virgin olive oil, vegetable broth, low sodium, some salt and garlic powder, bay leaves, tofu, I'm using extra firm tofu, and cauliflower. I'm going to need water for this as well. So the first step is going to be to saute some cauliflower. I need to cut mine up, so cut this up with me first and then we will start getting into it. So they want you to have small florets in it, so we're gonna just chop this up a little bit. You'll need half a cup, so you don't need that much. That's probably more than enough. So what we want to do is we want to get a pot and we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pot, and then we're going to toss our half cup of cauliflower and saute those for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we're going to put our 2 tablespoons in here and we're just going to let that heat up and then I'll come back. Now that that's heated, I'm going to add my half a cup of cauliflower. We're going to saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So while that's sauteing, we want to get everything else ready to go. We want to measure out 5 ounces of tofu. Okay, 5 ounces of tofu. So we're going to just chop this up because we're going to add it into our pan. Now that this is chopped up, we're going to be adding this to our pot as well as our water and vegetable broth. We're going to add our tofu into here. Now half a cup of vegetable broth and 3/4 cups of water. We're going to bring this to a gentle boil and then we'll come back and add a few more things. So now that this is coming to a light boil, we're going to add 1/18 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then we're going to reduce the heat and cover and let it just simmer until the Now that this is done, I've removed it from the heat and I added bay leaves in it. Now you're going to take your immersion blender and you're just going to blend this up. Once that's blended all up, we're going to transfer it to a bowl. Looks really good. So let's give it a try. So this is pretty good. I think I would like a little bit more flavor in it, but I like the immersion blender because it still leaves like some texture to it and doesn't just make it like runny. So this with some bread to dip would be super good. Overall, I think it's not bad. I just wish that there was a little bit more seasonings. In the book, it says to add some black pepper, onion powder, and I definitely would suggest that, and maybe even some more garlic powder if you can. So just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe. I will leave a link in my caption, so have a great day. Thanks for watching and see you next time.